오늘의 날씨 일기예보는 맑음 햇살 밝은 오후 무작정 어딘가 향하는 발걸음 너와 자주 걷던 거리 어쩌면 너무 익숙해져 버린 습관과 같던 매일 너랑 기억에 갇혀 살아
Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you just some cleaning, tidying, organization motivation just to help you keep on top of the housekeeping and keep your home as clean and tidy in a simple and stress-free way as possible. Now, as much as I love having a clean and tidy home, I don't particularly like spending my life cleaning. I don't like spending 3 days cleaning my home. I'm not interested in spending 2 days cleaning my home. I don't even want to spend a whole day cleaning my home. I want to spend the least amount of time possible. I dedicate usually around about an hour or so once a week, usually on a Friday, so my house is nice and clean and tidy before the weekend, to give it a bit of a more detailed once over, like a little bit of a freshen up Friday. But I definitely don't spend any more than that, and if I can get it done in less than an hour, that is great.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a past.
Now, I work 4 days a week, Monday to Thursday, and that is why I pick Fridays to be my cleaning morning so that I can get the house nice and clean so I can enjoy a freshly cleaned house for my weekends off. This extra large lint roller that I picked up for just a few dollars from Daiso is an absolute game changer when it comes to keeping a sofa, particularly a white sofa with kids and pets, nice and clean. One tip or trick that I use when I'm cleaning my home to try and get it done as quickly as possible is to, first of all, maintain the home throughout the week so that it doesn't get into any complete disaster state where it is taking me a whole day to clean up the home. So having those daily habits and routines that you do each day, which would be things like doing, the dishes, maybe a small load of laundry, just spot cleaning the floor, giving it a quick vacuum, and if it needs it, like in any high traffic areas, just running a quick mop over it, just to make sure that it is picked up and maintained and not allowed to go into that complete disaster state that takes hours and hours or days to clean each week. Beyond my daily cleaning routine, when it comes to cleaning the house, once a week, a little bit more deeper clean, I try to get as much done as possible by setting like 60-second limits to do each individual part of a task. So for example, when it comes to cleaning the living room, you don't want to be put off or overwhelmed, so you just break it down into small tasks that can each individually be done by 1 minute. So straightening the sofa, for example, straightening up all the cushions and blankets doesn't take more than a minute. Running that lint roller over the cushions to get those cleaned up, it was done in less than a minute. Cleaning down the coffee table, including cleaning it off, giving it a spray and wipe, doesn't take more than 60 seconds. Now you can see where I'm going here. You can actually get a lot done if you kind of limit the time that you allow yourself to spend on any individual task to those shorter time frames. dislike about this apartment is that there's no mod cons when it comes to cleaning. There's no dishwasher, there's no dryer, there's no aircon. That makes it a real challenge to keep the house clean in summertime, especially. And our microwave just broke. So it's like we're living in the dark ages practically. The hardest thing, in my opinion, when it comes to cleaning when you have no dishwasher is keeping the dishes under control. It is like you are either constantly washing up dishes, drying up dishes, rearranging dishes so that you can fit all of the dishes that you need to wash in your dishwashing area, or putting dishes away. And if you don't keep on top of it, you just kind of got like constantly looking at either dirty or clean dishes. And even when dishes are clean, they still make your kitchen look really cluttered and untidy, in my opinion. So keeping on top of the dishes when you have no dishwasher. If you don't have a dishwasher, I feel you. And I have a newfound appreciation after living for almost a year now with no dishwasher for dishwashers.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel.
If you don't feel you can get enough done in 60-second increments, rather than setting a 60-second interval timer to keep you on those 60-second intervals, cleaning one task per minute, you can always just make a playlist, and then each song, which goes for maybe, 3 or 4 minutes, just dedicate that length of time to cleaning one area of your home. So one song, spend it straightening up the living room. Get as much done as possible. Next song comes on, then you dedicate that to cleaning up as much of the kitchen as possible. Within 6 or 7 songs, you can have the house pretty much straightened up and picked up, getting the essentials done, and without it dragging on and taking all day.
I would give it all away to do it all again. Make a
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to
Keeping your cleaning supplies well stocked and on hand where you need to use them. For example, keeping some bathroom cleaning supplies right in the bathroom drawer so that they are right there. There's no excuses, front and center, ready to give a quick clean as often as is needed. Really helps with keeping your home neat, clean, and under control. Another way you can keep on track with your cleaning to make sure it doesn't drag out and take all day is to set something like a longer timer. My washing machine goes for its regular cycle for 60 minutes. So starting a load of washing at the start of my cleaning session, it kind of keeps me on track to know that by the time that washing is finished, I need to have all of the cleaning done and dusted, finished and wrapped up for the day.
난 취한 것 같아. 자꾸만 웃음이.
Another simple tip or hack that I have for getting your cleaning done, to have a little reward for yourself once you have finished within a time frame and with all of the things that you want to accomplish for your cleaning day done. And it can be really simple, like something like making a nice coffee. I made one here today with a little caramello koala in it. So it turned into like a little caramel mocha with a cute little caramello koala, which if you are not Australian, it is a little chocolate koala that is filled with gooey, runny caramel. Super delicious and just a little nice treat to either look forward to and to reward you for a good cleaning day.
마음의 이끌림을 따라 내게 다가가 입 맞출래.
So guys, that about wraps it up for today's cleaning motivation video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you found it motivating and you got some good tips to get started and stuck in and get your cleaning done as quickly as possible. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hang out and watch another video or two. I'll leave some linked in the description that I think you'll enjoy. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
이 세상